another B&H box. I'm pretty sure I know what's in this one. It's a backorder item, and if it is what I think it is, I'm going to do the full unboxing of this. And of course, you'll probably see that in the title or description already at this point, because I will probably put that up there. So got the iPhone camera mounted here. I need to get a different mount for a better camera, but this is what I'm using for right now. I am using the GoPro 12 here on a little boom arm extension for this top down, which is a little new thing I just set up in my office. You know, this is a working office. It's not a big YouTube studio, but hey, we're doing what we can here. So here we go. I'm gonna say the one thing I don't like about these boxes is that I can't reuse them, because you tear it open right in the middle, you can never reuse this box. It's kind of annoying. Here we go. Right. So. It is indeed exactly what I thought it was. And what came with this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a cable buddy. That's pretty cool. So this is 6 cables in one. Let's look at this first. This is kind of neat. So I'm assuming this was part of the B&H kit that we bought. And so this says USB to micro USB, USB to USB-C, USB to Lightning, Type C to micro USB, Type C to Type C, Type C to Lightning. So let's see, how do you open this thing? There we go. That was thankfully simpler than I thought it would be. There's the garbage part. Store that away. And here we go. So it's got a key ring to attach it, which that's nice. Oh, that's magnetic. It snaps together. I'm not even sure what that connection is supposed to be. So, oh, that's regular USB. That's sorry, that's just regular USB. Lightning. That's USB-C, USB-C. And then, so I guess if we turn that upside down, that becomes a micro connection. That's what it's saying. So that's Lightning on one side and then micro connection on the other side. So I guess that's how it's supposed to work. All right, well, that is a little cable buddy 6-1 cable ring. Oh, let's put the ring back on it. I liked it, so let's put a ring on it. Okay, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer. Let's see if they made a smart way to open this. Oh, we have a little, always love these. Got the little green arrow, cool there. Makes it nice and easy. There's the freshness seal. Of course, on the back we have all the pertinence, 3-axis, quick launch, portable and foldable, active track, tutorials online, built-in extension rod. That's nice. In the box we're gonna have the Osmo, magnetic phone clamp, grip for tripod, grip tripod it says, power cable, storage pouch, and documentation. Of course, you can get the apps on the App Store and Play. So here we go. Also love, they have very simple guides, right? Click there, QR code, go to the website. That's how you open it. That's how you click it to your phone. That's how you extend it out. That's pretty nice. So my phone, which I'm recording with over there, is probably gonna end up on this during this recording. All right, so this is just, I'm gonna guess there's paperwork in there. I'm gonna move this to the side for now. And here we go. There is your phone clamp. So this is adjustable out. And this is magnetic to the Osmo, not necessarily magnetic for your phone, but this is magnetic for the Osmo itself. And then here we go. There you go, there's the gimbal. And there is the handle. So it's a little tripod handle. It's nice having those, so you need to put it down. We have some pads here. I wonder if these are replacements for these. No, I'm not sure what these are for. Let's keep those in the box for now. Keep the silica there. Let's put this to the side. And now I'll also open up the box here. So here we have that, and that, and that. And remember this just, now I did just look at the thing, right? Didn't I? So this is in a lock position. We unlock it. Nope. Oh, I'm not gonna do it right this time. I swear I've used one of these before. Oh, that flips that way. So it has a lock position. So you have the lock and the dot line up. To unlock it, you twist this away, and then this flips out like that. And it automatically turns on when you do that. So I just turned it on, apparently. And then in here we have, so there's our travel case. It's very nice. We got some documentation, which also has the quick start guide, which is going to tell me, hey, I'm probably gonna have to activate it on my phone. We also have safety guidelines and some other stuff, low warranty card. So that's all in there. And then also in here, slide it out, we have a USB to USB-C charging cable. And I believe that's it. That is all that's in there. The rest is just cardboard, so we can get rid of that. So like I said, this is a magnetic to snap on like that to the gimbal itself, so you can now use it when you have a phone on. Of course, there's no phone attached right now. Do that in a second. And I like how these have, this is kind of a standard practice for a lot of gimbal manufacturers right now, is to make a little tripod. Comes with it, because one of the hardest things to do is calibrate it while holding it. So now you can hold it steady. You can see on here, this has a little thing that tells you which way the phone camera is supposed to face. So that's very helpful as a guide. So I am going to take the phone off of here. You're going to see the messy office now. And this kind of slides into here. So I opened up the DJI Mimo app, which I already had on my phone, which is nice. And it already found a device nearby. So I'm going to hit connect. Yes, so I want to pair with it. Yes, I do. The reason why you want to do this is it enables all the features, because you do, right from here, have a record button right on here. So you can record straight from it. Okay, I had to turn around so I can really show you how this works. So I was about to one thing, I realized you can't see anything I'm doing. So, like I said, when I unlocked it, it turned on automatically. So, but the power button right here is the M button. So if you hold this down, it's going to turn off. So now it is turning off. See, not really doing anything to hold this on. You're still seeing the app on the phone right there, because I did pair it with the phone. So I'm going to turn it back on. As it comes on, by default, it's going into the vertical video mode, which you could like that, I guess. To start recording, you have the record button right here. So you just press that one time. I'm now recording with the phone. If I press it again, it's going to stop. So over here, you actually have a control for the zoom. So you can zoom in and out digitally with your phone right from here. But using the joystick, I can pan or tilt the phone in different directions. So you can do that. And then the M button is your mode button. So you can go through different modes. So right now, this is standard follow mode. So if I turn my wrist a little bit, it follows the direction I want to go. If you do it again, we're now in a different mode. We're in tilt lock. So I can keep going up and down. And as long as I don't go past the physical limitations, it's going to keep that vertical tilt. I can still follow left and right, but as I tilt up and down, it should stay pretty much looking at the same thing. I haven't really played with the FPV that much, so I can't explain that too well. And then you also have spin shot, which I guess does a little, changes your joystick to now doing little spins. So those are the different modes based on what you want to do. And if you press this little button right here, if I press it twice, I'll now go into actual horizontal mode, landscape mode, whatever you want. The right way to shoot video as far as I'm concerned. And if you press this once, it's now in selfie mode. So you can do selfies. So I can, again, I press that twice and now I can do selfies with it this way. Or I press it twice again, it's going to go back to this mode. And if I press that one time again, it's going to go back to facing away from me. And if I press it 3 times, it's going to change to photo mode. If I press it 3 times again, it goes back to video mode. There we go. Of course, you have other video options and stuff here on the side that you can scroll through and look at. So there's a lot more options in here. That's just what's on the it's asking me to do things. I don't want to do anything. So there's a lot more options within the app than what you can just do on the handle here. But what's really nice is, like, again, having that zoom in and out function with the little side wheel there is really nice because it's all wirelessly connected through Bluetooth. You're getting full control of your phone's camera. And then you have your pan and tilt options with the joystick, and just moving around gives you everything else. So that is the basics of the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's a pretty handy device for your phone camera. So a lot of times your camera on your phone is far superior than anything you might have on you. This is a very small package. When I shut this off, remember, always shut it off first before taking your camera off so it doesn't go crazy. And I can just lock it back up. And I love that when you lock it, it'll automatically shut off anyway. So it's going to save you battery just by doing that. And then it has this handy camera case to put everything in here. So it all fits nicely in there. I almost forgot the camera mount as well. Put all that in there along with the charging cable. Now look, your entire thing is in this bag. So you have a professional gimbal for your phone in a little bag that you can throw in any backpack you want and have this with you wherever you are shooting. So definitely a recommended thing for if you're a phone video shooter. It does a lot of great things for a very low profile and not a very high cost either. So definitely recommend this. So check out the description below for links for this and other great stuff as I talk about it. I'm going to put a link in for this GoPro as well because I've been showing it for last week. And I do really like the new GoPro. So